Suction system maintenance is part of everyday life in a dental practice, and it's essential that we do it right. Today we'll show you the maintenance routine for a Cattani Smart Suction system and how to keep the surgery clean using these specially formulated Magnolia products: Puli-Jet Disinfectant, the Pulse Cleaner, Puli-Jet Silicone Lubricant, Antifoaming Disinfectant Tablets, and Eco-Jet 1 Spray. Before we begin, 4 key things to remember. Always carefully read instructions, safety data sheets and warning labels. Wear gloves, mask and eye protection, and a gown. Only Magnolia products are recommended for use with Cattani suction systems. Never let detergents come into contact with suction system components. So let's get started. At the end of the day, pour 2.5 litres of warm water into the Pulse Cleaner. That's to a point halfway between the second and third vertical lines on the inside of the bucket. Loosen the red cap on the Puli-Jet Gentle bottle, then squeeze the bottle to force liquid into the dispensing chamber. Stop when it reaches the 30 ml mark. Remove the cap and pour the Puli-Jet Gentle into the Pulse Cleaner with the dispenser on top. Now wipe the neck of the bottle with a disposable cloth. Connect the suction hose terminals to the Pulse Cleaner plungers, using the adapters supplied if your hoses aren't compatible. Pulsed aspiration will start automatically, creating the turbulence you need for effective cleaning. When the sound changes and pulsing stops, detach the hoses, but don't hang them up yet. Any liquid still in the Pulse Cleaner can be aspirated manually. Wipe the hose terminals, then drape them over the spittoon and keep aspirating for a few minutes to ensure that the disinfectant reaches the suction unit itself. Now hang up the hoses. The oily coating that's left on the inside of pipes and suction tubes after Puli-Jet cleaning is an anti-scaling surfactant. Now remove all visible debris from the solids filter in the chair, including the O-rings, using water and a brush, according to your protocols. Apply a few drops of Puli-Jet silicone lubricant to the rings, coating them evenly. This will protect them and prolong their life. Before reinstalling the filter, insert an anti-foaming disinfectant tablet in the filter basket. The tablet and its wrapper will dissolve over the course of the next day, reducing foaming caused by blood and mucus. There's one more weapon against contamination in your surgery: Eco-Jet 1 Disinfectant. Spray surfaces from 20 to 30 centimetres away. Leave for about 5 minutes, then wipe with a dry, sterile cloth. Eco-Jet 1 Spray has been tested on many materials, but we cannot guarantee its compatibility, so we recommend you spot test it first in an out-of-the-way place. Annual maintenance is vital for suction units and compressors, so talk to your technician about the Cattani Aftercare program and get maximum life and reliability from your equipment.